All right, we're about to go into the place right now, and this is what it looks like. All right, lady.
Ready?
Okay, this is it. See, I'm gonna give you guys the full story.
You want me to talk to the car?
No, I mean all we have to do is just open the garage, so we can leave it on. See, look at the golf course. I'll show you guys everything. Okay. All right, I'll let the lady open the door. Don't let it go inside though. It's gonna go inside.
Okay. I want to open it. Take the key out.
So here we have brand new high ceiling this is our brand new home. Okay, so first, so let's just call this a pre-moving tour.
Yeah.
Right, let's call this a pre-moving tour, and then we're going to narrate the background story later. This is the master bedroom. It's on the first floor. It's on the first floor, as you can see. Yep. Yep. I want you guys to see the inside of the. This is the first closet. I think this is going to be my wife's closet. This is the first closet. And this is likely going to be my own closet. She said she liked that one better. Well, I think this is better, but she said she liked that one, so she's going to take that one. I want to give you guys the view from the living room. Here's the view. When I wake up in the morning, this is what I'm going to be looking at. I mean, look at the distance right there. Look at that place. Look at that hill. It's just, isn't that beautiful? And that was actually what got me to buy this place at first. Okay, so that's that. Before I continue on,
Baby, I'm going to take the other one. That one's better.
okay. Now she wants to take the other one.
It has no place for clothes.
I want to show you guys quickly the bathroom. Oops. Okay. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Okay. This is the bathroom right here. Simple enough. And I'm going to take you I'm going to take you guys outside, just so that you can see the view again from the patio. Look at this. Look at this. And the beautiful thing about this place is it's just about an hour away from the city. So in fact, at a time like this, when a lot of the people from the city are running upstate, the forecast is that the housing price here is just going to blow up, and we're already seeing it. So those were the things kind of thinking about when I decided to make this purchase. But anyway, I'll talk about that on another video. But this is the view right here. I mean, look at this. This is just awesome. This is awesome, isn't it? Look at that. You know, this, when I bought this place, this was a major motivation for me. All right, we're gonna go back inside, and I'll take you guys through, through the other part of the house. I'll try not to make this too long. They have a gas fireplace. Okay, I'll take you guys into the kitchen now. Look at that's the chandelier right there. This is going to be the dining. This is going to be the dining. This is the kitchen. It's really beautiful, as you can see. The blinds are actually automated. I control them. I have the keys right here. The keys, this is brand new. We just got this place. One of the things I like about this right here is that it is basically automated. See that? It's automated. And these two, there's a way you could control it that they have. Here, you could just, it's by motion. There's something like that. Oops. Yeah, like that. Anyway, that's that. Yeah, I'm going to take you guys quickly through the other part of the house. Just so that we don't try to make it too long. And here's another bathroom. Beautiful. All cleaned up. And this would be the pantry, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this is the coat closet. This is the laundry room, and the laundry room leads straight to the garage. Okay, I'm just going to open the garage because I need to move my car in. So I'm going to open the garage. It's a 2-car garage. The car is out there. Okay. I'm going to go back. You know what? Let me shut off the car so it's not just running. All right, back to the top. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay. All right, I'm going to take you guys to the lower levels, which is the basement. This is the basement. When you come into the basement, this is what you see. Okay. Yep. We have the vacuum. I think it comes with the house. The house has its own humidifier. It has its own vacuum built in. Let me put on this light. This is the extra bedroom. I'm not sure if the light is on. Ah, yeah, there you go. This is the extra bedroom. And as we go further, as you go further, you go. This is the storage right here. This is the storage. This is the storage right here. And this is where you have the water tank and the gas. This is the storage. This is the inbuilt vacuum. That's where the vacuum, the dirt comes in here. But everything is built into the house. The vacuum, the humidifier, it's all built in. Okay. And this is what it looks like. And there's another bathroom down here. In the basement. Yeah. And it leads back out. You can literally go back out like that. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna take you back. I'm gonna take you upstairs now. We're already doing 11 minutes. I'm trying to cut this film short, and I'm gonna take you guys up, yeah, so that and then in the next edition I'm gonna be telling you guys how this whole process started. Look at this. This is gonna be the nursery for the kid, for the baby. This is the bathroom upstairs. I like how they have this instead of a curtain, like that. This is another room. Look at the closet, it's huge. And whoever is in this room, this is what they get to see. This is the view, yeah. I mean, look at that view. Look at that. It's awesome, right? All right, well, guys, I know I said I don't want it to be too long, and it's already this long, but anyway, I'm just going to cut it short at this point, and then in the next edition, the next episode, I'm going to give you guys the story. All right, I gotta go now, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.